Hi everybody, I am back. How are you? Good, I hope. I'm going to try to stay on top of this. I don't know if I will, but we will try. Anyway, let me, actually I got to turn you around. So anyway, this is my school year planner. That's what I've called it. It's my, everything that's going on in school. I don't know how else to explain it. It's mixed bits and pieces of different, I guess, two different planners. And I'm using them for my yearly planner so I don't have to buy a new one this year. And I'm using up everything. This is my goal, to not buy anything for planners. Just use up what I have, use everything that I have, cut it up, whatever. Make my own stickers, and that's what I'm doing. So, okay. This is week October 10 through the 16th. Now, if I had my way about this, I'd probably do the whole month. But it's easier for me to do it that way, and I might end up doing it that way for November and probably especially December because it's so busy. But right now, let's just do this week. I've got to sit down here and just planner. So I grabbed, like last week was, and nothing's glued down here, so I'm trying not to move it. Last week was orange, the little pumpkins and stuff that you just saw. So hold on, I'll be right back if you want to watch and see this. Stay tuned. I don't know how I'm going to do this. I'm just going to show you. I'm going to have to put you up on the tripod probably. I'll have to go get it. And this is what I've picked out. I had some spider web paper. So I cut out, I need 7 blocks because I still need I always write across here. I don't decorate up there. And then if I have to run down extra, I can. So the 10th through the 16th, not a lot's happening at this moment in this week. So I found this little piece. I can't remember what the name of this paper is. I can't remember. Happy Haunting, I think. It's purple. It's kind of cutesy. And I had this little tiny piece. I'm like, that's perfect for the corner. And it's supposed to say Happy Halloween, just as happy, but it's got the ghosty, it's got the spider web, it's got the witch boots, it's got the broom, it's got a bat, so it's cute. So I'm putting that up there to cover that. Then I've got this piece left over that I cut from something, and it's a perfect size. I'm going to put that across the top. And then, because it's October, it's orange, I've already filled in the orange numbers. I was going to do purple, but that's because this is my purple page is what I started to try to say. The other one is orange and pumpkins. So I had this paper I just bought for my October daily. I wasn't using it. Well, I may use it for wallpaper. Not sure yet. But I just took an edge and cut a few pieces off. But they have eyeballs. Look at them. They glow. Aren't they cute? So I cut 2 of those to put there. So I got that one. I got the spider web pieces right there. I have left over just a piece of the lettering. It says lanterns. It says spooky, zombie, trick or treat, Halloween. So I just cut a couple of those pieces for there. So it's not glued down, but this is what it looks like. And the only thing I have happening at the moment is my thrift store reopens on the 13th. I'm so excited. And then we may be going to the pumpkin patch here. We were going to go this weekend on the 9th, but it's Ariel's birthday party. So we just switched it to the next week. If we decide to go. We might not even go. I don't know. So I just penciled it in because I'm not sure. But that's it for now, for this week. And it's not glued down, so I'm going to pause this. I'm going to glue it all down, and I will be back. I am back. Okay, so here is the main calendar. And I have nothing in here except for those 2 things like I showed you on the other one. So there is a church calendar that there's really nothing going on. So at least it doesn't pertain to us. So I will leave that in here. And then this is this week's. It's orange, and she's having her birthday. I scheduled her birthday and a cake, and she has Young Women's, and I got to pick up the cake, and then I already sent Kenny and Fallon's card, and then her birthday information's right here. So that's this week. And then next week, I glued it all down. Here is everything for the 10th through the 16th. And this is the pumpkin patch information for Saturday, their date and times. If you're ever in Utah, up in, I think it's it's not Springville, it's called the Red Barn, and it is in, what town is that in? I want to say Springville, but I'm not sure if it's, no, Payson. Nope, Santaquin. Okay, in Santaquin. And they have homemade ice creams. It's a orchard. So you can buy fresh apples, fresh peaches, pears, all that stuff. And then in October, they have a pumpkin patch. They have these little wagon rides. It's like a big tractor pulling these little trailers that you sit on. And it wheels you down, way down the back 40 is what they call it. And they have a big slide. They have trikes for adults and little kids. They have a zip line. They have the apple shooter thing. They have a corn maze. They have the framed picture of the farmer and his wife. You can stick your head through and take a picture. They have an old truck that is filled with all the stuff, all the from the orchard and from the pumpkin patch. You know, they have it all filled up so you can take pictures. It has a jumpaline. I don't know what it's called. Anyway, it's fun. You'll spend a good couple of hours there, especially if you got little kids. You'll probably be there all day. You could pack a lunch, and there's tables. There's a couple of tables, and you can. There's a porta potty down there. And they usually have refreshments being sold there too. We didn't go last year, so I don't know if they will do that at all or not. I don't know. But you can go pick your own pumpkin, and depending on the size, they're anywhere from $5 to $10 and up. And so we take Ariel. Well, last year we didn't, but this year we're thinking about going. I'm going to have to be extra cautious, but so we may end up going. Saturday's not a good day to go because it's going to be crowded. But you never know. I just stay away from people. And it's outside. So it shouldn't be too bad, you know. So we do want to take her. We're still debating it. We want to go. But then again, do we really want to go up north where the numbers are outrageous? So I don't know. We're still thinking about it. I don't know if we'll go. I may just take her to the farm stand over in Richfield and let her pick one from there. But we'll see. I don't know. But that's everything that's for this week. So it's really not a whole lot right now, especially for October Daily. So I'll take pictures. I got some pictures taken already. She did make cupcakes yesterday. I got to go take a picture of those, but I can actually add that in here. We can watch a movie. I mean, there's a couple of things that we can do to add into the October Daily. But as far as stuff that's going on, there's nothing. There's absolutely nothing this week, that week. So this one was, let me turn it over, orange, green. This one's purple, black. I think this one is the date 17 through the 23rd. I'll find some more cute. Maybe I'll do all black. And then the 31st Halloween one, I will do creepy. I don't know. We'll see. But that's everything for that. So I'm a week ahead. Yay. So maybe I can stay up on it. We'll see. Anyway, thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed. It was a little bit long, but I hope you enjoyed, and we will see you again soon.